All right, gentlemen, so here's our next phase. You have the opportunity with your Adobe Creative Cloud account to save to the cloud through Adobe. The plus sides to this are you have the opportunity to make sure it's going to be there when you get home to continue working on it. The downside is once your account is gone, all of your work saved is gone. So we are going to make sure that we're definitely saving big projects and all to your Google Drive as well, because it needs to go to Google Drive to be able to submit it and be turned into our Schoology account. But this method does help you kind of get things back and forth pretty quickly. So here we go. Say this is my design and I'm done with it. I'm going to go up under File, Save As on my computer. And then down here you have the option, this little button says Save Cloud Document. And then I've already got the title of it, what I want to call it. And then all I have to do is click Save. All right, notice what pops up here in the upper left-hand corner. This file is noted to be saved in the Adobe Cloud. So you have a little cloud icon. Now, go to the internet and sign on to adobe.com with your, STX Tiger's email and password. And then you'll get this little welcome screen like we typically do. And you're going to click on Open Creative Cloud. Something like this might be your Welcome Center area. Okay, you scroll down and looky there, there's my artwork that I saved. All right, if you go to the three little dots, it'll say open your work. So I'm going to click open my work, and it's going to open it on the internet until I go way up here to the right and click on those three dots and tell it to download. So wherever downloads go on your computer, typically most computers have a download folder. If it doesn't show up sort of in the lower area here, like mine does, you can go to your download folder and find it. From here, I can double click on it and it will open my document inside of Adobe Illustrator since it was an Illustrator file. Okay, my guy's flashing over here. And it says that it's there. Ta-da! Okay, so anytime I go to resave, I can go back up here and go File, Save As, and tell it again to save, and the whole cycle starts again. Okay, now, what if you want to see more of your artwork? Okay, you can click on Go to Your Work, any of your cloud documents, and you can see anything that you've kind of saved to the cloud, even if it's on our iPad. These are kind of some iPad things that we've got. This will be eventual Photoshop stuff. So I've got several things that are saved up here to my cloud account, Creative Cloud account. So that is how you're going to get to quickly kind of save things so that it gets to the internet, so it gets to the Creative Cloud account that you have. But we are definitely going to have to make sure that when we're done with a project, you can save it here, but we also have to save it to our Google Drive because Google Drive is the one that talks to Schoology so that we can actually get things turned in.